Oak Point window contractors are renowned for their expertise in window installation and replacement. Whether you need energy-efficient windows or custom windows, our team of professionals is ready to assist. We specialize in window frame installation and window seal installation, ensuring your windows are in top condition. Our Oak Point window services include everything from window maintenance to window upgrade options, with professional window replacement Oak Point TX available for any home or business. For those seeking Oak Point energy-efficient windows, our selection of double-pane windows and vinyl windows is unmatched. These windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also contribute to significant energy savings. Our Oak Point vinyl window experts are here to guide you through the process, making sure your window replacement Oak Point TX project is handled with expertise and care. Window glass replacement and window sash installation are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our Oak Point window installation services are designed to address these issues promptly and efficiently. We also offer window weatherproofing and window insulation services to protect your home from the elements, key parts of our comprehensive window replacement Oak Point TX solutions. Oak Point custom window solutions are perfect for homeowners looking to add a personal touch to their homes. Our window design and consultation services help you select the ideal window styles and hardware to match your unique taste. With our Oak Point window style selection and expert window replacement Oak Point TX, you can achieve a home look that's both functional and stylish. Affordable window replacement in Oak Point is within reach with our competitive pricing and exceptional service. Our best window installers in Oak Point are committed to delivering quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. We offer a window installation warranty and complete window replacement Oak Point TX packages to protect and enhance your property. Window screens and window caulking are essential components of window maintenance. Our Oak Point window screen replacement and window caulking services ensure your windows are secure and free from drafts. Combined with window replacement Oak Point TX, these services make your home more energy efficient and comfortable. Oak Point window glazing solutions and window hardware installation are part of our comprehensive service offerings. Our team is skilled in window measurement services, ensuring a perfect fit for your new or replacement windows. With window replacement Oak Point TX, we combine design and performance for long-term satisfaction. Window tinting and window glazing are popular options for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our Oak Point window tinting services provide a range of options to suit your needs, while our window glazing solutions enhance durability, especially when included in a full window replacement Oak Point TX project. Window sash installation and window weatherproofing are vital for maintaining the longevity of your windows. Our Oak Point window sash installation services address operational issues, while our window weatherproofing solutions shield against the harsh Texas climate. These are standard features in our window replacement Oak Point Texas service lineup. Oak Point window contractors are your go-to experts for all window installation needs in Oak Point TX. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom windows, our team provides top-notch window installation services. We specialize in vinyl windows and double-pane windows, and all of it is backed by a reliable window replacement Oak Point TX warranty. For those seeking Oak Point window installation services, our skilled technicians offer comprehensive solutions, including window frame installation and window seal installation. We understand the importance of maintaining your windows, which is why we provide Oak Point window maintenance services and full-service window replacement Oak Point, Texas for long-term performance. Oak Point custom window solutions are perfect for homeowners looking to add a personal touch to their homes. Our Oak Point window style selection offers a variety of designs to match any aesthetic. We also provide Oak Point window consultation and design services to help you choose the best options, all made possible through our expert window replacement Oak Point TX planning. For those in need of window glass replacement, our Oak Point window glazing solutions are second to none. We also offer Oak Point window tinting services to enhance privacy and reduce glare. Whether you need caulking, insulation, or a full window replacement Oak Point TX, we deliver quality and comfort every step of the way. Oak Point window screen replacement is essential for keeping your home comfortable and bug-free. Our Oak Point window sash installation services ensure your windows operate smoothly. Trust the best window installers in Oak Point for everything from screen upgrades to affordable window replacement Oak Point TX, with options tailored for energy savings and style. Choose Oak Point window services for all your window needs, including window hardware, window caulking, and window insulation. Our Oak Point window tinting services and window glazing solutions provide added value to your home. And with our Oak Point window sash installation and window replacement Oak Point TX, your home will benefit from enhanced performance and modern design.